WordPress 7.0 shipped on May 20th, 2026, and the headline most outlets ran with was simple. AI is now native to WordPress. The story most missed is the one worth telling. Real-time collaborative editing was on the roadmap for this release, and it got cut to make the date. WordPress 7.0 was the first major release of 2026, and it was built by more than 750 contributors under release lead Matias Ventura. That number matters because WordPress is not a small team shipping a side project. When a release of this size adds AI as a first-class concept, the rest of the web notices, and plugin authors start planning around it. The headline feature is called AI Foundations, and the part the site owner actually sees is a new screen under the settings menu, then connectors. 3 beats here. First, it is a single hub for managing API keys and connections to external services. One screen, one place to look. Second, AI providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google are first-class citizens of this screen. But it is not AI only. Any plugin that needs to talk to an outside service can register through the same standardized system. Third, there is an optional separate AI plugin that sits on top of connectors. Once a provider is wired up, that plugin adds title generation, excerpt generation, image generation and editing, and alt text suggestions directly inside the block editor. This is the line WordPress core themselves used to frame the release. The framing matters because it tells the developer what philosophy to expect. More decisions are being pushed to the site owner, especially around which AI provider to trust with content. Now the cut. Real-time collaborative editing, the Google Docs-style multi-user editing experience inside the block editor, was originally planned for 7.0. It did not make the release. The original ship date was April 9th, 2026. The actual ship date was May 20th. That roughly 6-week slip was the team holding the door open for real-time collab, and then closing it when the feature was still not stable enough. This is normal WordPress engineering discipline. When a feature is not ready, the feature gets cut, not the date. The release goes out on a workable schedule, and the unstable work moves to the next train. 2 reasons this release matters to the developer. First, WordPress 7.0 did not break backward compatibility on PHP. PHP 7.4 is still supported. PHP 8.3 is the recommended version. A lot of observers expected a major version bump to draw a hard line at PHP 8, and that line did not get drawn. Existing hosts and existing sites upgrade without a runtime migration. Second, the AI integration is opt-in. A site that ignores the connector screen and skips the optional AI plugin keeps the WordPress it already had, just running on a newer admin theme. Nothing is forced on a site owner who does not want it. Briefly, the supporting cast. There is a new navigation overlay designer for mobile menus. Visual revisions now have a timeline slider for scrubbing through history. Patterns can behave like single blocks, which simplifies reuse. The font library is now available in all themes, not just block themes. Blocks can be shown or hidden per screen size without custom CSS. There is a new icon block. The command palette is available everywhere with CMDK, and the admin color scheme has been refreshed. None of these are headline features, but together they round out the release. So the read on WordPress 7.0 is this. It is the AI platform release, and the connectors hub is the piece plugin authors will be building against for the rest of the year. The much-feared backward compatibility break did not happen, which makes this a smooth upgrade for almost every existing site. And real-time collaborative editing is on the next train, not gone.